In this video, I'm going to show you how to collect emails on Wix website. Now, the first step would be to pull up your Wix website editor. You can access this by clicking on the Edit Site button on the top right of your Wix dashboard. Once you're at the editor, just look for the Add Apps option on the left side of the screen. And in here, we're just going to look for a specific app called Conversion Popup. So just type that in, click the app, and as you can see, it says here add again. This is because I already had this previously installed, but if you haven't yet, just follow the installation process. For now, I'm just going to go ahead and click on add again. And now we have a conversion pop-up right here. Now we're just going to edit its settings a little bit to show you what it looks like. Now the first tab is to select a template. So in our case, we're just going to stick with collect email. Now, if we scroll down a little, we can add our email here so that we will be notified if we enable this whenever there's a new subscriber or there's a feedback. So once you're done with that, just move on to the next tab. Under fields, you can add your own image or logo if you'd like. These text lines, you can edit these if you want to change your call to action. There's also an email placeholder, name placeholder, all of that good stuff. Once you're done editing these, just move on to the next tab. Now under styles, this is pretty straightforward. It just basically allows you to modify the layout of your conversion pop-up. So once you're done editing that, move on lastly to rules. In here, you can change the pop-up type. It can either be windowed or full screen overlay. You can also change when it pops up and if it appears to all visitors, new visitors, or returning visitors. You can also change the pop-up frequency if you'd like, and change how the pop-up behaves on desktop and on mobile. So once you're done, you can click on preview so that you'll see how it looks like. So it should be something like this. Now once you're done, just close these, and then click on save. Then click on Publish Now. Now we're just going to check how this looks on our website. So we're going to go ahead and preview. And as you can see, we have the conversion pop-up right here. And that's about it. That's how you collect emails on Wix website. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.